Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I have another unboxing video. As you can see here, it's from B5 Systems. Alright, so you can see here we have the B5 Systems Type 23 grip. And then here we have the B5 Systems Enhanced Sopmod stock. I believe this one is in flat dark earth. And also there are some stickers. Super happy about that. Always love stickers. This is actually a bit heavy, but I don't mind it. You can see here, oh, this is a nice rubber pad. This is super awesome. Textured grip down here for your stock. And then these might be able to twist out. Yeah, there you go. And you can hopefully store some. Oh, never mind. These you don't have storage capabilities in here. Oh well, it doesn't matter. Or maybe you can. I don't know enough about these stocks, but I like this stock. Looks cool. Don't think I ever use these. I mainly only use a standard M4 stock or the what's it called? Or the Magpul CTR stocks, but this will be a nice change. I like that it's kind of weight in the back down with this rubber pad here, so that'll be really nice for the bounce of the firearm. And then here for this grip, there is a screw, and I'm curious if this has the spring. So when you install your pistol grip, normally for your AR-15, there's a little hole right here, and there's a spring for the safety selector switch. But I do like this grip. It's very nice. It's very vertical, which is what I like. Kind of like I don't know, for me it just feels better. And then here you can see there's texturing all around, nice and rough. You don't have to do any stippling or anything yourself. And then this is the screw that would go in there during your install. Overall, super excited to put this all together on the lower receiver. And thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see next. Stay safe.